The cold Antarctica, is it a no-fly zone? Antarctica's extreme cold is due to a combination of geographical and climatic factors. First, its location at the South Pole means it receives little direct sunlight. In winter, the continent is in complete darkness for months, preventing any warmth from the sun. Even in summer, the sun remains low on the horizon, offering minimal heat. Antarctica's high altitude also plays a role. The continent has an average elevation of about 2,500 meters, 8,200 feet, and we know that temperatures drop as altitude increases. Furthermore, the massive ice sheet reflects most of the sun's rays, a phenomenon called the albedo effect, which prevents heat from being absorbed. Adding to that, Antarctica is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, which traps cold air over the landmass. This, combined with katabatic winds, fast-moving, downward-flowing air currents, makes Antarctica one of the harshest environments on the planet, with temperatures plummeting as low as minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Let's move on to the no-fly zone. The big question: why don't planes commonly fly over Antarctica? Is it really a no-fly zone? Let's find out. Technically, Antarctica is not a restricted no-fly zone in the sense that planes are banned. However, there are major operational challenges that make flying over this region extremely rare. First, there are very few emergency landing sites. The continent's vast, icy terrain and unpredictable weather make it difficult for aircraft to divert in case of trouble. Another challenge is magnetic interference. Traditional navigation systems rely on magnetic fields, but Antarctica's proximity to the South Magnetic Pole causes disruptions in compass readings, making navigation difficult. Meteorologists say that the unpredictable and extreme weather in Antarctica, including strong winds and whiteouts, makes flying risky. Many airlines choose to avoid these routes for safety reasons. Additionally, aviation regulations require extended-range, twin-engine operational performance standards, ETOPS, certification for flights over remote areas. Since Antarctica has minimal infrastructure, most commercial flights do not meet the requirements to safely traverse the region. So, does that mean no one flies over Antarctica? Not exactly. Okay, well, who can fly over Antarctica? Specialized research and military flights occasionally travel over Antarctica, primarily for scientific and logistical purposes. Countries conducting research in Antarctica, such as the United States, Australia, and Russia, use specialized aircraft equipped to handle the harsh conditions. However, these flights require rigorous planning and specialized equipment. So, while Antarctica isn't officially a no-fly zone, the challenges posed by its extreme cold, lack of emergency landing sites, magnetic interference, and unpredictable weather make it an undesirable flight path for commercial aviation. Meanwhile, its brutal temperatures ensure that only the hardiest scientists and adventurers can survive its icy grip. Thanks for watching as we uncovered the mysteries of the frozen continent. Don't forget to like and share for more educational stories.